Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can you wear flip-flops kayaking? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaking is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and get some exercise. But it's important to have the right footwear. There are a variety of kayak shoes and booties on the market, but most kayakers are wondering whether they can wear flip-flops. The truth is you can wear flip-flops. However, flip-flops probably aren't the best idea for kayaking since they can easily come off in the water. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. Do people wear flip-flops while kayaking? Number 2. The benefits of wearing flip-flops while kayaking. Number 3. The danger of wearing flip-flops while kayaking. Number 4. Less friction with the kayak deck or other surfaces. Number 5. Less protection against germs and other objects. Number 6. How to select suitable footwear for kayaking. Number 7. The importance of a suitable pair of shoes for kayaking, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.